We have a harsh dry season ahead of us across Trinidad and Tobago, so no surprise we're seeing tranquil skies, and we'll likely see more spells of sunshine over the next few months and a little rainfall. In terms of the seas, during this El Nino period, we'll likely still see those intense cold fronts to the north, pushing those large swells south across the east and the Caribbean. So we could be seeing some of those larger waves as we go later on this week. But overall, for the month of January, as we wind it down, we'll lose most of those showery days, and then get into February, no heavy rainfall is typically expected for the month of February, but there will be a few passing sprinkles from time to time. But for tonight, then, on the short term, mostly clear, cool conditions expected across Tobago. The odd shower is possible, but for most of you, you'll be seeing sunny spells and breezy conditions through your Wednesday morning and afternoon. Now for Trinidad at night, another cool night in those sheltered valleys. You'll notice that you'll be cut off from the breeze, which is along the east coast, so it will feel particularly chilly first thing in the morning, and there's only the low chance of a shower as you go through your Wednesday. So overall, the sunshine will be there. There will be a breeze coming through the east, so it will likely feel comfortable for those of you on eastern areas. But if you're on the western side, through Port of Spain and Diego Martin, away from the breeze, it will likely feel warm at times, especially during the heat of the afternoon. Then down towards the San Fernando, similar conditions expected. Sunny for the most part, feeling warm there, but once you get into the countryside, it will feel typically cooler. Temperatures by night, 22 degrees Celsius in Arima, 23 in Canaan, 30 will be the high in Tobago tomorrow, 31 for Trinidad. As you can see, very little is set to change over the next few days, and a gentle reminder that the harsh dry season expected, which means that every drop of water counts. So obviously economize as you go through the next few days and months. Obviously try to reduce the amount of water you use, and obviously try to think of other people as you go through your months to come. In terms of those heading offshore, we have been seeing easterly swells for the most part, staying short, but some long northerly swells are likely to sweep down from Antigua, getting into Trinidad and Tobago waters by the week. So we're likely to see those waves of 2 meters, maybe pushing up to 2.5 the further north you head as you go through later on Wednesday and then going into Thursday. And only one high tide at 11:45 a.m. Now there's a cold front that's been sweeping through the Caribbean, and the swells are pushing in ahead of that. Just around that area, there'll be a mix of warm and cold air, so a few clouds are likely around Hispaniola, but generally most of the showers should be fairly brief. For Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius. Havana, on the other side, the drier part of the front, getting up to 27. Also mostly dry conditions for the Lesser Antilles for the most part through Antigua, and then coming down to Barbados. Only the passing cloud is expected around Georgetown, and a high of 30 degrees Celsius. So that's weather, and that's it from me.